Hello, fellow engineering manager. Claude Code has changed the jobs completely. You surely saw how greatly it can write code and design, but today I wanted to show you how it can automate engineering manager chores. I've been using Getting Things Done framework for a while to manage my team's priorities, which I kept in monday.com board. But this week I started a new setup, and this is what I discovered. This week I manage my tasks in MD file. Now, that's my current week focus, then the next week and Sunday assorted ideas for future. Tag that, feature ideas, and so on. Whenever some new idea comes to my mind and it's pretty raw, I add it here. Then we have Claude MD file. That's important context for Claude. Who I am, what's the product that we're building, and who is my team. As you can see, I'm editing this in Obsidian because it lets you nicely preview Markdown files and tick checkboxes. So let's imagine we want to do a review of this week. And I reviewed the items that we completed this week and write a short summary. And now I want to roll over. So this is automated with Claude. When I type in this command, Claude archives now.md file, creates the new file with these incomplete items, and also promotes the items from then file. Alright, so here we are. As you can see, the last week file was archived and the new week file was created with incomplete items here and the items from then promoted to here. So far we run it manually, this rollover command, but we can also schedule it, and every Monday it can be automatically rolled over. By the way, this command, rollover, I created with Claude. And it's not just a nice cute improvement, this is actually big. So Claude will use all my meeting notes, all my weekly notes as a context, and will draw my attention to things that I miss, find patterns in my weekly deliveries, and suggest how I can handle things better. And the sky is the limit. We'll connect Jira, Monday, Slack, Mixpanel, Calendar, GitHub. Stay tuned for more series on these topics, and share in the comments how you use Claude to manage engineering manager chores. Thank you.